Hi guys, good evening. I am a Maturan Malmasya. So tonight, I'm going to teach you the UBS app. So tonight, I'm going to teach you the steps how to use the UBS while recording yourself and then watching from YouTube, browsing videos from YouTube. So here's the steps. So first is go to the open the OBS app, then go to plus sign, add source, then go to browse, for example, then go to YouTube, wait for a moment guys, kasi naglo-loading siya. Get the URL of the video, this one, this corner, then go back to the UBS, paste the URL, then hit OK. Wait lang guys, kasi naglo-loading pa siya. Actually, ito yung makikita mo. Ito yung background. Yun, ito yun. Wow. Lumabas na siya. Naglo-loading pa siya guys. Saglit lang. Okay. Kasi mahina yung signal. Nagpilit siya, nagpilit. Ito yun siya guys, naglo-loading. So, if you want to interact with the video, so click mo lang yung interact button. Then, adjust to your mouse. Yun. Ayun. Bingo. Naglo-loading siya. So, as you can see, yung background mo is yung YouTube na gi-browse mo. Yung gi-browse mo sa YouTube. Here we go. Konting keyboard na lang kasi naglo-loading talaga siya. Okay, saglit. Ayun. Perfect. So, go to the search bar. Then, input any words or phrase you want or movies you like. Then, hit enter. Then, here we go. Like for example, ito yun siya guys, yung search bar. Mag-input lang kayo ng words or any movies or whatever videos you would like to watch. Then, ay naku, nanonooding talaga. Wait lang guys. Yun. Nanonooding siya. Okay.
Mistakes. Or we have a speaking partner, but we don't know what to say. Or we have a speaking partner, but we speak.
At saka guys, you can mute or unmute the volume dito sa interaction box. Let's say, ayaw mo ng voice over. So, pwede mo yun coded or i-mute mo yung volume dito sa interacting box. Okay, that's it. Naglo-loading siya. Kasi mahina yung signal dito sa